In my beginning years in real estate, I worked as an assistant for two people that were very prominent in the company. And one of the things that I learned from them is that service for the client and open houses, being available for open houses was very important, because not only gives you the opportunity to do the job for the client, but it also gives the opportunity to meet new clients and make new relationships as well. Growing up in the military and moving constantly, I realized the importance of having a home base, and that has translated into a passion for me to help others find a home. One thing that my clients might be surprised to learn about me, even though my last name is Smith, I was actually born in Spain. On my birth certificate, my name is Felipe Eduardo Smith y Florido, and I'm the oldest of 43 grandchildren. One of the parts that I enjoy about being in real estate the most is becoming a significant part in helping people achieve major milestones in their life.